how to import or export passwords on Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you have the Google Password Manager on your home screen, you can tap on it to open. Otherwise, we can swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on more privacy settings. Then tap on autofill service from Google. In here, tap on Google Password Manager. Then tap on the settings icon. Now we go down to the bottom section, and in here tap on export passwords or import passwords. To export passwords, just tap on that and then tap on export. Now you need to put in your PIN, or you can use fingerprint or face unlock. And on this screen, choose the location where you want to save your password files or your password export file. It is exported into a plain text CSV file. So just choose where you want to download. By default, it is set to the downloads folder. So we can give it a name, or you can use the default name, then tap on saved. And that's it. It is now exporting file. So if we go to the file manager, so I'm just going to go to Samsung File Manager. In here, if we go to the Downloads folder, or in the Recent File section, you can see you can open up your password in here. Well, I've got my password in here. If I open up, I can see it. You can see it, but I won't open it now. To import the password into your Google Password Manager, we open up Google Password, and then we tap on the settings icon. We go down, and then tap on import passwords. Now in here, ask you to sign in, so sign into your account. Okay, once you have successfully signed in, you'll be forwarded to the import passwords page. In here, tap on select file and then choose my files, and again we go to the downloads folder and then tap on Google Passwords.csv file, then tap on done. And then once it has been imported, you can tap on the import button. And here's the 18 passwords imported. And then you can just close that, and then that will take you back to your Google account. And that's it. So that is how you can export or import passwords into your Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.